Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today, Mr. Shafiq, my name is Bahadir from Raw Island Company. I would like to ask you about some question of our Raw Island application.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm so happy you invite me for this interview session.
First question, what aspect of the interface design do you find most appealing or user-friendly on Raw Island?
Okay, I appreciate the simplistic layout and clear menu option. It makes navigation very intuitive. It's more interesting for me.
Okay, second question. Do you have any particular design element that you find distracting or confusing while you using Raw Island?
For your answer about find distracting or confusing, the color contrast in certain section makes it's a bit hard to distinguish different tools at time. So it's many color, then the contrast makes it hard to look the tool each time.
The question, how you rate the overall visual appeal and aesthetic of Raw Island?
I find the overall quite pleasing. It's clean and engaging. For visual, is more aesthetic.
Okay. Fourth question, can you identify any area where the design could be improved to enhance the user experience?
For answer your question about identify any areas to improve and change the user experience, I think adding more visual cues for different tools functionalities could make it more user friendly. So more people can easily to use about function in your website.
Fifth question, do you feel the interface layout support efficiency, workflow, and ease of use?
For me, the interface layout efficient workflow and easy to use. Because for the most part, yes, some options could be more accessible without multiple clicks. So at each time we can multiple click or one click at a time.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aziz. So I am from Raw Island Company. Here I have some questions about my website.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this interview.
So for the first question, which specific drawing tool or feature do you find most useful or essential within Raw Island?
Alright, for the first question that you asked me about this website is which specific drawing tool feature do I like? I'm really happy on the brush tool and layer. They offer great flexibility. I think this tool is very interesting to use because it can use by the user that want to use it.
Second question, have you encountered any limitation or functionality issue while using certain tools or function within Raw Island?
For the second question that you asked, have I encountered any limitation or functionality issue while using certain tool? For me, the eraser tool sometimes behave unexpectedly when used on complex layer. For the example, when I use the eraser for the multiple layer, it becomes lagging more and more every time.
So for the third question, how will you rate the responsiveness and speed of the tools or function while using Raw Island?
Okay, for the third question that you asked, For the responsiveness, for me overall, this website or this interface is pretty good, but larger canvas size tend to slow down certain action. And for me, this website has a pros and cons that have on this website.
So for the fourth question, are there any features or functions that you feel are missing or could be added to enhance the drawing experience?
This is a good question. For me, the features that you can add to this website or interface is, I love to see more advanced layer management option to organize complex project better in the future.
So for the last question, in your experience, how intuitive are the various functions and tools for someone new to drawing software?
As a beginner, some tools were a bit confusing literally, but I got the hang of them after some exploration, and I find it this website or this interface is quite easy to use for everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis and Datuk Shafiq, from your feedback. So that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.